Hi guys, so this video is going to help you on how to do some of these calculations, okay, just to get you started. So here, for example, I'm going to use the original mass of the cup containing the medium. I'm going to use the mass of the empty cup to find the original mass of just the medium in the cup, okay? So I have all this data before from somewhere else. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to put the equal sign, and I'm going to say this value here. Now I'm going to look for this mass, the original mass of cup containing medium, in my data. And when I look over here, I'm not sure why this is in my way, but here it is, original mass of cup containing medium right there. Okay, and I'm going to click enter. And it brought that value in here. Okay, now you could say, well, wouldn't it be a lot easier to just type in the value? Sure, but here's what happens. Say you did something wrong and you come back here and you change that, say something like that. When you go back over here, it fixes that value for you automatically. That way you're not going to multiple places trying to fix something. Like when you're doing calculations on paper and you make a mistake, you have to go back and erase everything from the beginning, erase all the way through. By using the spreadsheet formulas, it fixes all the mistakes for you automatically. Okay? And then we're going to do mass of the empty cup. We're going to go here. There it is, mass of empty cup. I'm going to click that cell and enter, and it brings me back. Now, this is the part that I need to figure it out. Okay? I need to figure out on my own. So, if I have the mass of the cup with the medium in it and the mass of the empty cup, how do I get the mass of just the medium? I'm going to do equals, and I'm going to take this mass and subtract it from that mass. Okay? And again, let's say you realize you made a mistake when you're putting in your data. This should really be 2.63 or something like that. When you go back, it fixed this value and this value for you. Okay? So the top part here, for all of these different calculations that you're going to be doing, over here, are going to be values from your data tables or values that you calculated above. Okay? So for example, one of these could be a value from up here. Okay? So you'll have to figure that out. Now this was a simple subtraction. Let's say there's something more complicated. Let's say it's percentage. Okay? And I'm just making this up. Percentage of the medium in the cup from the total mass, okay, or percentage of the cup from the total mass. So let's say I'm going to do percentage. So I'm going to do this value divided by this value, okay, part over whole times 100. Again, that's sort of a weird calculation. I'm just trying to show you I can calculate different things. Okay, so don't expect everything to be subtraction or addition. You have to look at what you're being asked, okay, to figure that out. If it's subtraction, then do a subtraction formula. If it's multiplication, then use multiplication. If it's a percentage, then you have to do part over whole times 100. Whatever it is, that's the thinking part on your part that needs to be done, okay? That's it.